Did you know that a well-designed short-term rental can increase your bookings by 30% or more? It's true, yet so many short-term rental owners make simple design mistakes that cost them revenue every single day. I'm Paula Oblen, and today I'm going to show you the 3 biggest short-term rental design mistakes and exactly how to fix them to create a space that guests will love and book again and again. Welcome to my channel. If you're a short-term rental owner, investor, property manager, or a host looking to create an unforgettable guest experience while maximizing your revenue, or maybe you're an interior designer looking to expand your business beyond residential, you're in the right spot. I've spent years helping short-term rental owners transform their properties into high-performing, highly profitable guest experiences through what I call branded destination design. It is a design approach that goes beyond decor to create an emotional connection with guests. If that sounds like something you want to learn more about, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Okay, let's jump into the 3 biggest mistakes I see short-term rental owners making all the time and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, generic, forgettable, boring spaces. If your short-term rental looks like any other rental out there, guests are going to forget it just as quickly. Your space needs an identity, a personality, a story. It's about creating a curated, Instagram-worthy experience that guests want to share and rebook again and again. Mistake number 2, poor space planning and functionality. Bad layouts kill the guest experience. If a space doesn't flow well, it feels uncomfortable. Always design with the guest journey in mind. Think about how they'll move through the space. Where will they sit their coffee? Where will they unpack? Make it seamless, intuitive, and more than anything, guest-friendly. Mistake number 3, ignoring the senses. Sensory design is so important. Short-term rental success isn't just about looks. It's about how we make a space feel, how guests feel when they are moving about the space. Lighting, textures, scent, and sound all play a huge role in creating a multi-sensory experience that elevates your rental way above the rest. Which one of these mistakes have you seen in an Airbnb? Or maybe you've stayed in one or two. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more short-term rental design and profitability tips. In the videos ahead, I'll be sharing the top design elements that instantly increase your short-term rental revenue. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And until then, happy hosting!